Hey everyone, and welcome back to yet another code.org video. Today we're going to work our way through lesson 38, which is Explore Project Ideas. So at the end of the CS Fundamentals Express course, there is a project, and you must create your own program. So lesson 38 is for exploring project ideas. You get to watch a video for the first puzzle of this, for the first activity in this lesson. And then the next thing you have to do is work your way through some of these things. And this is just to help you get an idea of how you want to design your project, how you want it to run, and what you want to do. So we're going to work through this, and then I'm actually going to create a project using Sprite Lab and some of the programming that we've learned throughout the code.org curriculum. And I'm hoping that this will help you get your project done. I would strongly encourage you not to copy my work exactly, because your teacher is definitely going to know how to use YouTube search and Google search. So do not copy exactly what I do when I make my project, but if you want to take inspiration from my project, you're more than welcome to do that. That's what it's for, but again, do not copy it exactly, because you will almost certainly get caught if your intent is to cheat. And, that's the punishment for that is usually not a fun one. At the best case scenario, you fail the project. All right, anyway, so looking at activity 2 or puzzle 2 in lesson 38, we see the instructions say, you've now learned everything you need to know to make a pattern like this. If this picture inspires you, try to make something similar. Otherwise, create something all on your own. So we'll go ahead and hit run here. Oops. Sorry, got some of the sound going. Let's speed that up. So it's making some sort of spiral pattern here, and that's basically all it's doing. So you can see for counter from 2 to 5, count by 1. So if you've watched my previous videos, you know how these counters work, you know how the artist functions work and different things. So this n-sided shape says repeat counter times, move forward by 25 times counter pixels, turn right by 360 divided by counter degrees. If counter equals 5, set color to black, set alpha 100. Okay, so that's not a big deal. So you can see, this is a project built in Artist. So we'll go ahead and hit finish here. And so, yay, there's your drawing. Woohoo. So I encourage you to play around with that and see if you can get Artist to do different things. I'm trying to keep this video relatively short because there's only 3 activities within this. Alright, so this is actually a really cool one. This is a game built in Sprite Lab in which you actually use the arrow keys. So this is why it pays to know both Sprite Lab and the standard programming, the block programming used in code.org, because you can actually make really cool games like this one that you can then share with people. So you can see here, there's a coin, there's a car, you want to avoid the car or else you lose your score. So each time you collect a coin, it looks like you're speeding up. You see the speed increases each time I collect a coin. Boom, there we go. But if you hit another car, I don't think you actually slow down. No, you don't slow down, but you lose points. And your car flashes colors to let you know that you've come into contact with another car. And the objective of this game, I believe, is to make it to 500 points. And you can see I'm not playing anymore, but you can see move coin 1,000 pixels north. Okay. If score greater than 500, it says remove other car, remove coin, set background color to green, show title screen, score, you win. Cool. And that's all it is, really. So I've almost won now, just passively. There we go. All right, so you win. That's what it shows. And so we'll go ahead and click finish here, and it says continue to move on to the next level. Alright, so this is a video about the design process. I strongly encourage you to watch this because it's very helpful. And then, okay, now we're into lesson 40. So actually, yeah. So now we're into lesson 40. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this video here, just make this a really short video, and then I will show you my project idea in the next video. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a like. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you want to post comments or even links to some of the projects that you've done in Sprite Lab and code.org, you can feel free to do that in the comments down below. that's pretty much it. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.